Hello! In this presentation, I will show you how to perform an ANCOVA analysis, which comes from analysis of covariance. Briefly, the analysis of covariance is a similar procedure with ANOVA, which means that basically it compares two or more groups regarding a dependent variable, but ANCOVA is doing this comparison while controlling for one or more covariates of the dependent variable. Such a procedure is very useful when we have to analyze the differences between several groups in a dependent variable and one or several variables correlated with that dependent variable are unequally distributed among these groups. So, let's begin. The objective of our analysis will be to find out if there are significant differences of academic performance between male and female adolescents and if these differences are stable when controlling for the differences in social support between gender categories. First, let's see if there are significant differences of academic performance between male and female adolescents. I will select Analyze, Compare Means, One-Way ANOVA. I will introduce the gender as a factor and the academic performance as a dependent variable. From the Options button, I will choose Descriptive, Continue and OK. As you can see in the descriptive table, female adolescents have a higher level of academic performance than male adolescents. The ANOVA table, with its F value and level of significance, which is lower than 0.05, confirms that this difference is statistically significant. In the next step, let's find out if the academic performance correlates with the social support. I will select Analyze, Correlate, Bivariate, and I will introduce the academic performance and the social support, and I will click OK. As you can see in this matrix of correlation, there is a significant correlation between academic performance and social support of 0.05, which is a rather low correlation but still significant. In the next step, let's see if the social support is unequally distributed among boys and girls. I will select Analyze, Compare Means, One-Way ANOVA. I will exclude academic performance from this analysis and I will introduce the social support. From the Options button, I will choose Descriptive, Continue, OK. As you can see in the descriptive table, female adolescents have also a higher level of social support than male adolescents, with a mean of 72.06 versus 69.36. The ANOVA table, with its F value and its level of significance, which is lower than 0.05, confirms that this difference is statistically significant. So now the question is, can we still find significant differences of academic performance between male and female adolescents when controlling for the differences in social support? For this objective, we will use ANCOVA. I will select Analyze, General Linear Model, Univariate. In this window, I will introduce the academic performance as a dependent variable, gender as a fixed factor, and social support as a covariate. From the Options button, I will choose Descriptive Statistics, Continue and OK. Now, in the Results section, the information that we need is in the table called Tests between Subjects Effects. We have to look for the F value for the factor called gender. As you can see, we have an F value of 50.13 with a level of significance which is lower than 0.05. This means that we still have a difference of academic performance between girls and boys even when controlling for the social support each gender receives. So, briefly, these were the statistical procedures for ANCOVA with SPSS. Don't forget to leave a review and see you in the next presentation.